For PowerPoint exercise 5, we will need to make a new blank presentation, and please select a blank layout. Now for exercise 5, we are going to have to make text boxes. So you should be able to find an auto shape toolbar at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see it, please select from View, Toolbar, and Drawing. That activates that toolbar. Okay, so next to the word auto shapes right here, there is a text box shortcut button, and there are two actually. There's a regular text box, and mine has a vertical text box, but choose the regular text box, click somewhere on the screen, and type the text that is shown in your sample book. Okay, so I've made one text box. Click text box again, click underneath that first set of text. Okay, and you can see basically I've created two boxes with text inside. Now, let me just show you a couple things. If you look at your sample book, the first text box has larger text than the second text box. So that can be easily changed by doing the following. You can select the text in that text box and go up, make sure you can see this formatting toolbar. If you don't see this toolbar, just go View, Toolbar, Formatting, and just change the font size, make it larger. Now, let me just try 32. Now, when I made the fonts larger, the words got stacked on top of each other because this text box is too narrow. So we can easily fix that by clicking of our left mouse button, dragging and making the text box wider. At the same time, we can click anywhere on the edges, click and drag, and reposition that text box. Okay, the second text box, we can highlight the text, maybe make it 24, and we can position it underneath. And if you want, it looks like, based on the sample book, the words might be bold. So there we go. Okay. Now, just keep in mind, at this point, we're pretty much finished exercise 5, but we have the option of highlighting text and changing font color. So if I want it green, or we have the option of italics or underline. Okay, so these are all options. The same things we learned in Microsoft Word can be applied to exercise 5 and PowerPoint in general. Okay, at this point we're finished, so click File, Save As, and save it either on our floppy disk or our removable disk, and please call this PP5, and you are finished.